This is just a short test of the GTD audio system microphone. Yeah, just woke up. My brother was over here last night. My brother and my cousin, so didn't get to do this morning, but just a short test. I want to see how this particular microphone works here. I got a fan nearby. Yeah, see how it picks it up. Right in front of the little fan goes the other fan in the window. See if I got background pickup. Okay, I'm standing right by a little fan in my kitchen window. Relatively quiet environment. I turn the radio on and see what happens. We get pickup on that. Maybe put it a half away from the radio.
That's why I'm helping to lend my voice. Now what happened, Fernanda? Well, I'm the wife of a teacher.
Walk away from it.
Because there wasn't enough to provide for 3 young children with another on the way. I picked up part-time work, and we did everything we could, but we really struggled to make ends meet.
Pour me a little coffee. Okay. Radio is on pretty much volume level 4.
Today, 1 in 6 Americans don't know where their next meal is coming from. Fernanda here could be your neighbor, your coworker,
Okay. Walk back to the radio one more time.
And find your local food bank to help. I'm Fernanda. And I'm Anna Ortiz.
Now I'm probably 5 feet away from the radio. 3 feet.
Schedule a complete physical and screening today. Don't put it off because early detection is key to increasing survival.
Okay, turned it off. Yeah, let a foot away from the fan in the window. And I have the body pack set to the negative 10 decibel, which is a cut. This will allow performances, which needs to be soft. No way to tell what kind of microphone it is online because I've looked and looked and looked, but this is what came with the system. I'm thinking it probably not cardioid, or maybe if anything it's cardioid, but definitely not hypercardioid. Okay. I have to conduct this test before I put this thing back up. Later. Talk to y'all later.